Thanks for tuning in and welcome to your Cairns Real Estate Market Update for March 2025. We will of course touch on all the usual suspects being current stock levels, the rental market, open for inspection, average numbers through the door, as well as what the impact of the recent rate reduction has had on our local market. We'll also zoom out, have a very quick look nationally as to what the forecast construction rates are going to be, rising investor activity in the southern states, as well as what the reduced interest rate from the RBA has had on borrowing capacity, particularly for high income earners. Let's jump straight in. Locally, stock levels within the region are holding steady with around about 610 available properties on the market. This is up 3% from last month. Bear in mind though, it's still incredibly tight out there at record low levels. The rental market has experienced some further consolidation with just 330 available properties for rent in the region. This is bringing our vacancy rates to circa 0.7%. For those of you that may remember, a healthy, a balanced rental market is a vacancy rate of somewhere between 3 and 3.5%. So incredibly tight out there. Great time to be an investor, or if you are looking to vacate your property and you're not too sure what to do, the rental market is of course exceptionally healthy currently. The reduction of the RBA's interest rate of 0.25% has had a very positive impact on our marketplace and has spurred some further confidence and momentum in the buying environment in general. This has been signified or signalled by a significant increase in buyer activity and buyers coming into our open for inspections. On average, we're seeing around about 14 buyers come through each and every open for inspection. Typically, 5 to 8 is seen as a norm, 10 or more is seen as a fantastic result. Having 14 through as an average shows that there's a very, very strong buying market out there with a lot of confidence in the marketplace. The long and short though is that stock is low, buyer activity is high, and there's a lot of momentum in the marketplace. It's fantastic news if you are considering doing something in the short term. As we zoom out though and have a look nationally, new dwelling construction is forecast to increase through 2025 as property investors are now taking advantage of house and land packages at greater rates than previously seen in the past. 71% more investors took out home loans for the construction of new properties in New South Wales when compared to the previous 5 years. Essentially, this means that we are seeing an increase in investor activity nationally, which further shows general confidence in the marketplace for the economy, which is great news in general. Australia has also reportedly entered into the beginnings of its latest super cycle, in which pent-up demand for new homes resulting in the higher prices, and the resulting higher prices, I should say, could triple the number of apartments starting construction to 75,000 properties a year. What this essentially means is that as the median prices have increased, finally it is profitable for developers to re-enter the marketplace and start to do those apartment developments. With an increase of 75,000 a year though, they will still fall far short of national new dwelling construction targets, so don't have any fear of an oversupply on the horizon anytime soon. Don't go throwing the baby out with the bathwater. And finally, the RBA's interest rate cut has had a significant impact on borrowing capacity, particularly for the highest income earners in Australia, with most of them seeing an average of a $23,000 increase in their borrowing capacity, comes the reports from RP Data and other titles offers searches. In general though, great time in the marketplace. We're seeing great confidence, good momentum, and all the right signals there that 2025 should be a banger year for Australian real estate, and especially for the Cairns marketplace. That's your update for March 2025. I hope there was something interesting and useful in there for you that helps you make the best decisions moving forward. If you have any questions or real estate needs, you can always feel welcome to give me a call anytime. So thanks so much, and we'll see you later.